Hi everyone, and welcome to a new tutorial. My name is Abdi for asART 3D and motion graphics. In this tutorial, I would like to show you how you can create a 3D model out of your shape inside Illustrator. So here I have my logo as a vector graphic, and this is really important that it is a vector shape and not an image imported and everything. So it must be something that you can really go and, as I do right now, change the vertices of it and so on. So imported JPEG or PNG will not do the job. So it must be a vector shape. But with that selected, we can go up to Window and then 3D and Materials. This will open up this dialog window and will show you the different types for our 3D model, and we go and click on Inflate. By doing that, it will do that inflation effect to that, and we can go and rotate this around now, and this is a fully 3D object. So what I want to do is inflate the backside as well. And then we can go and change some stuff like the depth of it, but I'm going to leave it actually at 10, where it is by default. Twist, I don't need that, but if you have something that could be useful or helpful, you can use the twist for it as well. We have the tapering, so if I bring that down and give it some depth, then you see what that does. So you can go and taper your model, extrude it actually kinda. I don't need it right now, so I'm gonna bring this back to 10 and bring up my taper mount to 100%. Volume is something that you can change as well. So I'm gonna set this guy to about 65 for my model. And once you're happy with it, you can go to the rotation, set it to the front, and down here you can click on Export 3D Object. That will send it to Asset Export area, where you have to rename it right in here. So we have to give it a name, and that name is actually going to be your file name after exporting it. So after renaming, select it and go down to the export settings. We don't need two of them, we just need one, and you can go and select your file format that you wanted to export it to. So OBJ is in our case that what we want. Select it, click on export. It will ask you for the folder where you want to save it to. Just select your folder and it will save it as your OBJ model. Now, let me switch to 3D Studio Max. Go to File, Import, Merge. Now I can go and select my object, click on Import, select everything, and there we have it. Now I can move it up and take a look at the topology, and that looks actually pretty nice. It's not too wild, not too fancy. And we can also go and use retopology tools to change that if there is anything that we have to remodel or we have to change or take it further from here. But now you have created a 3D model in nearly no time right inside Adobe Illustrator, and in 3ds Max you can use it the way you want it. I have another example where I created the word flow, and then I actually remodeled it a little bit so I can have this pipe and that loop connected together. This is something that is not going to happen inside Illustrator. Illustrator always creates that intersection like this. And I had to break everything apart and then relink them together. And the way I did this was actually like separating the vector graphics right away. So I brought in or created that guy here, and then I separated them right away in Illustrator first. So that is the bottom part and the rest of the text. These are going to be separated meshes once we use the same technique that I showed you right before. And then I brought it inside of the 3D Studio Max and then linked actually these two parts together with a little bit of modeling effort. And at the end, what I did with it was creating a fluid simulation inside of that. So when I run this, that is what that looks like. I also have a finished render out of this, and that was the test that I ran with it. It is created with the exact same technique that I showed you from Illustrator to 3D Studio Max. And this is it. I hope that this tutorial is helpful and useful to you guys. I'm going to see you in the next one, and I'm wishing you a great and successful time. Bye-bye.